For the beginning, actually just the line. 1, 2, 3.
When I first realized that Mary was diagnosed with ALS, she explained it to me as a death sentence.
It's basically a motor neuron disease where the motor neurons gradually die over the course of probably 3 years on the average.
They tried to do other tests and rule out some things. Any other medical condition, they wanted to find anything but ALS, and she knew what they were looking for.
I would describe it as a deterioration of someone's muscles, or motor skills, I guess, more than anything. Kind of breaks it down, and eventually they start losing motion in any part of their body.
In Mary's case, the arms and the legs, speaking, she's lost her speaking and swallowing. And all her muscles are gradually going. It's hard for her to sit up. Her legs, she can move them a bit, but loses control of them very easily. They stiffen up on her.
Everything pretty much just stops working. And that's why we continue to work, in hopes that it will help in a peaceful parting.
My dearest Mary, I think of you so often during my days and keep sending you love and light.
Massaging Mary has become a way of expressing my love for my friend. There are more ways to show love than just saying I love you.
When we heard that Mary was ill, I talked to Mary about the possibility of whether she wanted to do a massage or not, or she thought that would be good for her, and she thought that it would. So I know how important it is to continue to have contact with family and friends, and giving a role to the family and friends as somebody goes through an illness. And so I thought that would be good for Mary to have that exposure. And she agreed to it, so I decided to pull together a group.
I'm Peggy, and I massaged Mary Wednesday nights, started just after Christmas.
I'm Elaine, the Monday night massage person.
I'm Christine. I massaged Mary on Thursday mornings.
I'm Annie, and I massaged Mary on Tuesday mornings when I was in town.
I'm Nick, and I was coming for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday mornings, and sometimes Thursday, Friday evenings.
I'm Colleen, and I massaged Mary as backup when people couldn't come.
Hi, my name's Melissa. I massaged Mary Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
I'm Lorraine, and I massage Mary whenever I felt like it.
My name is Rhea, and I was a Saturday morning massage person for Mary. This is an entry from the logbook for February 28th. It says, Mary is quiet this morning, so I slowed right down for a more gentle massage. I started with her feet and covered her from toes to head. Thanks, Mary.
So this is Mary, the director, and Lou and I are simply getting Mary is a teacher, as you can tell.
See, that's her computer, runs with a foot pedal, or a hand pedal, but she uses it as a foot pedal. Every time she picks a letter, some words come up here, so she can eventually pick one of these words.
Can I ask you a question? Is that okay? Okay. Okay. So, if you had one word to describe the importance of getting massages, what would it be?
I like your touch.
I remember the first time that she asked me to massage her. She said, can you, and this was before I had any instruction from anybody professional or otherwise, she said, can you massage my arms for me? And it was just forearms at that point that she directed me to. So not knowing at all what to do, I thought, oh, okay. So I did something, whatever came to my mind just to do. And she said that she liked it. And she said to me, can you keep massaging my arms even when I'm not able to tell you that I want my arms massaged? I said, okay. So I do.
She's happy to teach people about the illness that she's got and how it is, how it can be handled best, how she can be supported while she deals with the illness she's got.
It's living in the moment is really what it is about, and that's the great thing that Mary has taught all of us, that we're living in the moment now and we're making her feel good, which in return makes us feel good.
Because it is about Mary, and it is about her teaching all of us. We can look after people at home.
For you to have the courage to create a team here, to stay here in this part of your life, I want to be able to do it like you do it, you know. You are the dream come true, Mary.
I think it takes great generosity to accept filming and teaching on her body, and it'll be a blessing for caregivers in the future who can use the documentary as a resource.
So Mary, do you want me to continue filming our documentary when you can't be directing it? Okay. Yeah.
In a case where somebody is terminally ill, it's not completely hopeless. You're not completely helpless, and you can do a lot just by simply giving a back rub or doing those sorts of things like touch, massage their hand, anything.
I never envisioned myself as somebody able to massage. I've always admired those who can, and felt very uncomfortable being put into that situation when Mary asked me to massage her. But I felt more confident with help of you and these people that I'm standing here with and all the others who come in, some who know what they're doing and some who don't. So that gave me courage that I wasn't alone in that.
This little pig went to market. This pig, this little pig. Roast beef. We're doing the roast beef.
Roast beef, okay.
Piggy went to market. This little pig stayed home, so we'll do that one, and then we corkscrew in the opposite direction.
Oh, you're right.
She's laughing at us. I don't think it's got to do with how
just
good it
liking
feels.
the toes. No, she likes it that you're squirming.
I think so.
Hey, hey, Mary, you have given us a gift in your teaching. Our spirits you did lift. We'll keep you with us the whole way through. The world will be a better place with you on YouTube. Oh, yes, we do. We love massaging.
I love this tree.